Okay, so we'll do a quick little walkthrough of the Forest River Ozark, and it is a 1650 BHKX. You'll have to excuse a little bit of a mess in here. It's not too bad, but this is when you walk in. We have cabinets here, little nightstand type thing there. Cabinet overhead. Come over this way. Cabinets overhead. A decent size dining room table for the size of the camper. And the bunk beds. That is my daughter's bunk bed. She loves her bunk bed when we go camping. The bathroom. They have cabinet and the shower. This is just a short video to give you an inside look at what the camper looks like on the inside, and we hope to add more videos to this channel. If you like, comment and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. We're just starting this new channel. We bought this camper last summer in 2023, and we camped in it most of last summer, and we have already went one time this summer, and we're looking forward to going next weekend, which is Memorial Weekend. We have an outdoor kitchen area here. One day I will open up the storage areas and give you a sneak peek. And we ordered this pretty cool spare tire cover off of Amazon. It's just an Amazon, but I kind of liked it. So anyway, that's a little bit of a sneak peek of the inside of the camper. Thanks for watching.